Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. That is my knowledge part, and today we have to discuss regarding one of the verbs, that is linking verb or linking verbs. In my previous video, we have seen simply the definition of the linking verb. मेरे पहले के वीडियो में सिर्फ लिंकिंग वर्ब्स की एक डेफिनेशन देखे हैं. And in the definition, what it was there? It is a verb which is going to inform the relationship between the subject and the sentence. But today again I have taken that linking verbs to make you understand in good way. क्या है? अब linking verbs कौन से हैं? Linking verbs जैसे कि already I have written over here, all forms of be. Verbs are linking verbs. बी के जितने भी फॉर्म्स है वो पूरे के पूरे लिंकिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं. नाउ विच आर दोज? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. इज देयर, एम इज देयर, आर इज देयर, वर इज देयर, वाज इज देयर. अलोंग विथ दैट, व्हाट आर दोज? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. हैज बीन इज देयर, हैव बीन इज देयर, हैड बीन इज देयर, will be is there, shall be is there, grow is there, remain is there, maybe is there, might be is there, can be is there, should be is there, would have been is there. What these are? These are the forms of be, and forms of be verbs are linking verbs. Linking verbs क्या करता है? ये जो सब्जेक्ट है उस सब्जेक्ट को, उस सेंटेंस को क्या करता है? लिंक करता है. एंड रिमेंबर माय डियर्स, लिंकिंग वर्ब इज नॉट कॉल्ड एज एन एक्शन वर्ब और एन एक्शन वर्ड. व्हाई इट इज नॉट सो? व्हाट आर द एक्शन वर्ब्स? इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो आई हैव टोल्ड thoroughly what are the action verbs. What are the action verbs? चलना है, उठना है, बैठना है, खाना है, पीना है, रोना है, गाना है, गाना गाना है, गुस्सा करना है, झगड़ा करना है, काम, खेत में काम करना है. What are these? These are the action verbs. But linking verbs क्या कर रहे हैं? Linking verbs are only linking. वो सिर्फ कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. क्या कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं? एक जो सब्जेक्ट है, एक सब्जेक्ट को उस सेंटेंस के अंदर जो सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट होता है उसको क्या कर रहा है? लिंक कर रहा है. हाउ? जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. आई विल राइट वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स, देन यू कम टू नो. एक मैं एग्जांपल लिखने के बाद आपको समझ में आएगा कि वह लिंकिंग वर्ब्स कैसे होता है. नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. सी हैज गॉन टू द market. Now just try to understand, my dears. She has gone to the market. In this one, what is the linking verb? That we have to see. What is the linking verb? The linking verb in this sentence is has. Why has? Because she is the subject. ये she क्या है? Subject है. और सब्जेक्ट को क्या कर रहा है? वो सेंटेंस के अंदर सब्जेक्ट को जुलाने का काम लिंकिंग वर्ब करता है. अब she has gone. What is gone? Gone is an action verb. Go, went, gone. Gone. Understand? Go जाना है, went गया है, gone जा चुका है. In the she has gone to the market. Wheresoever she might have gone. कहां क्यों नहीं क्या होती बाबा? वो जाती. That is secondary matter. She might have gone. What she might have gone? Try to understand here. Gone is going to express the meaning of what we can say the action verb, whereas has is going to express the meaning of linking verb. Link क्या कर रहा है? Has is there, had is there, have is there, will is there, shall is there, will be is there, shall be is there, has been is there, had been is there, have been is there, be is there, being is there, to be is there. What these are? These are the linking verbs. Apart from these linking verbs, what are those? Try to understand. Please also verbs that have to do with the five senses. हमारे 5 सेंसेस के साथ जो भी कुछ एक्ट होता है, जो लिंक होता है, उनको भी क्या 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 कहा गया है? Those have also been called as a linking verbs. Which are the 5 senses are there? That linking verbs. Feel is there. Understand? Feel है, feel. Touch is there, touch. Understand? Feel is there. What it is? Touch is there. Touch is the way of conversation. Understand? कभी कभी क्या है, वह टच जो है वो क्या करता है, एक रास्ता है कह का एक दूसरे को बात करने का. टच इज द वे ऑफ कन्वर्जेशन. एंड समटाइम्स, और कभी कभी क्या करता है वो, समटाइम्स इट इंडिकेट्स द क्लाइमैक्स पॉइंट ऑफ लव. कभी कभी क्या करता है, ये जो क्लाइमैक्स पॉइंट होता है ना लव एंड रोमांस के अंदर, उसका एक क्लाइमैक्स पॉइंट क्या करता है, एक्सप्रेस करता है. कैसे एक्सप्रेस करता है? या दोज हु आर लिविंग, those who are going to what you can say getting busy in love, they knew very well. Understand? Touch is the way of conversation and sometimes it indicates the climax point of love, and that is the secondary matter. But what is my intention? लेकिन मेरा इंटेंशन क्या है? मेरा इंटेंशन इतना ही है कि what are the linking verbs, those are supposed to be learned clearly by me in my spoken English class. I mean in my YouTube channel. That is my knowledge part. Now feel is there. I have taken just that example of feel. Understand? Feel है, if you have just closed your eyes and somebody has touched to you, definitely it will feel. Feel, felt. After that, look is there. देखना है. Understand? One of the scene is there. Scenery, one of the scenes is there. That is looking है. Understand? Look is there. Smell है, smell. Understand? Either it is fragrance is there or what it is there. Dirty smell is there. Understand? Nowadays, big cities are also going to feel by the dirty smell. Understand? Why? Only because of the rapidly growth of population, and as well as what we can say, yeah, that municipality, if it is not going to take care, then what such type of things are going on happening. Smell is there. And fragrance खुशबू है. Understand? Fragrance है बाबा. Fragrance कैसी होती है, खुशबू कैसे होती है? Yeah, the flowers are there. Understand? They are going to spread the smell or the fragrance. That what these are linking verbs. उसके examples में smell, it is also one of the linking verbs. After that, sound is there. Understand? अच्छों को, कानों को अच्छी तरह से सुनना या बुरा सुनना. If somebody is going to abuse, that is very bad to listen. Understand? Somebody is going to sing a song, really that what you can say, that hears very well. Understand? I hear America singing. What it is? It is one of the poems of Walt Whitman. I hear America singing. I hear America singing. Yeah, what the things is going on? Byzantium is there, sailing to Byzantium. Such type of the poems are there, and really they are very fantastic. So sound is sound. Listening. Understand? Why it is sound? Sound it is. Sound what means? What means it is sound? Sound का मतलब क्या हुआ? Yeah, it is also feel. Understand? आवाज जो है अच्छी तरह से, either it is melodious sound is there, or what we can say, it is strong. Understand? Very distant sound is there. Sound is there. After that, taste is there. Understand? Sour is there, sweet is there, bitter is there. Understand? So such type of the tests are there. So what these are? These are the, what we can say, already we have said, verbs that have to do with the 5 senses are linking verbs. वो 5 सेंसेस के साथ जो भी कुछ एक्ट होता है उनको लिंकिंग वर्ब्स कहा गया है. एंड विच आर द 5 सेंस आर देयर? जैसे कि यू हैव बीन टोल्ड, व्हाट वी कैन से, व्हाट आर देयर? फील इज देयर, लुक इज देयर, स्मेल इज देयर, साउंड इज देयर, टेस्ट इज देयर. फील है, महसूस होना है. अंडरस्टैंड? फील क्या हुआ? महसूस होना है. फील, आई फील योर फीलिंग्स. क्या होता है जी? मैं आपकी भावनाओं को जानता हूं, भावना को नहीं. अंडरस्टैंड? You don't misunderstand that भावना को जानता हूं बोलने के बाद if somebody is there भावना और भावनी and just I feel, it is not so. I feel. Understand? मैं क्या करता हूं बाबा? Feel करता हूं. I feel your feelings. Understand? After that, look is there. देखना है. Understand? Sight is there. After that, smell is there. जैसे कि बोला अच्छा है, बुरा, smell जो अच्छा लगता है या बुरा, यानी कि बहुत क्या होगा, unwanted लगता है. Smell is there. जैसे कि rose is a better rose and that fragrance of the rose is really fantastic. After that, sound, आवाज है, अच्छी है, बुरी है. आंखें तेरी बाहों में हर शाम लगे सिंदूरी. ये सुनने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मेलोडियस साउंड जिसको कहा जाता है. अंडरस्टैंड? कैसे? तेरे मेरे होठों पे मीठे मीठे गीत मिटवा. ये साउंड है. आफ्टर दैट टेस्ट है, अंडरस्टैंड क्या टेस्ट इवन आया है, अंडरस्टैंड अमेरिका के अंदर ऐसा कहा जाता है देयर आर 83 कलर्स ऑफ आइसक्रीम्स देयर इन अमेरिका, अंडरस्टैंड, एंड देयर टेस्ट इज टोटली डिफरेंट, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इन इंडिया देयर आर ओनली 7 व्हाट यू कैन से कलर्स ऑफ आइसक्रीम्स आर देयर. ओके, सो उनकी टेस्ट कैसे होगी, हाउ वुड बी द टेस्ट ऑफ दैट 83 कलर्स आइसक्रीम देयर इन अमेरिका? या इट्स वेरी फैंटास्टिक, अंडरस्टैंड, टेस्ट इज देयर. आफ्टर दैट अपीयर है, अपीयर, अंडरस्टैंड, दिखाई देना है. Okay, appear, just we have to appear what it is also one of the linking verbs. दिखाई देना है, appear and disappear, so appear है बाबा, understand. The ghost of what you can say in King Lear, right, in Hamlet, understand, the ghost, isn't it, it is going to appear and disappear of that Shakespearean tragedy. After that become is that become होना है, become, understand. After that has been है, try to understand my dears, has been, it is one of the forms of be, have been also it is one of the forms of be, had been also it is one of the forms of be. What is the definition, or what clearly it has been said? All forms of be verbs are linking verbs. Is there, am is there, are is there, this is there, those is there, want is there, to is there, to be is there, understand, have is there, has is there, had is there, has been is there, have been is there, had been is there, understand, would is there, would be is there, would have been is there, should is there, should be is there, may is there, maybe is there, might is there, might be is there, can is there, can be is there. What these are? These are the linking verbs, and these linking verbs are going to link the subject with the sentence. That is very important. They are not going to express the action of the subject. How action of the subject? Try to understand. Here, once more I am just फिर वही दिलाया हूँ. क्या है बाबा? She has gone to the market. Try to understand. Has is, she is the subject. Has is a linking verb. Gone is a verb. And to the market, it is an object. So in this sentence, which one is that linking verb? Yeah, has is the linking verb. Why it is so? Because it is linking to the sentence with the subject or with the noun. That is a linking verb. Try to understand, my dears. लिंकिंग वर्ब क्या करता है सेंटेंस के अंदर? सेंटेंस के अंदर लिंकिंग वर्ब सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट को सेंटेंस के साथ ज्वाइन करता है या कनेक्ट करता है, उसको लिंकिंग वर्ब्स कहा जाता है. एंड समटाइम्स दीज लिंकिंग वर्ब्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. अरे आप बोलेंगे अरे क्या बात है, लिंकिंग वर्ब्स को भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब बोल रहे हैं. What the fact is that according to the situation or according to the mood of the sentences, what we have to do, we have to just give the meaning to the same word or to the same, what you can say, one of the nouns, that is one of the verbs that we have to write in different style, in different ways, that too in different sentences. That is very important. लिंकिंग वर्ब एक कनेक्टिंग वर्ब है, वो क्या करता है, कनेक्ट करता है सब्जेक्ट को इन्फॉर्म करने के लिए उस सेंटेंस के बारे में, या सेंटेंस को उस सब्जेक्ट को लिंक करने के लिए. दैट लिंकिंग वर्ब इज सपोज्ड टू बी यूज्ड एंड इट इज वेरी वेरी एसेंशियल. नाउ आफ्टर दिस what are those? Once again, what are those? All forms of be verbs are linking verbs. For example, is, am, are, were, was. After that, also verbs that have to do with the 5 senses are linking verbs. 5 sense के साथ हमारे देखना है. 5 sense के अंदर एक है टच है, फील है, अंडरस्टैंड, हियर है. ये क्या है, हमारे सेंस है. और उस सेंस के साथ क्या होता है, वो फील होता है. फील इज देयर, लुक इज देयर, स्मेल इज देयर, साउंड इज देयर, एंड टेस्ट इज देयर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, व्हाट आर दोज? अपीयर, बिकम, has been, have been, had been, will be, shall be, grow, remain, maybe, might be, can be, should be, would have been, etc. What these are? These are the linking verbs, and they are going to link the subject with the sentence. How do they link with the, what you can say, how do they link that subject with the subject with the sentence? That we have to see, and after writing some of the examples, you come to know what do you mean by the linking verbs. Now please try to understand how we have to write. Just I will write some of the examples so that you will come to know what are the linking verbs. And linking का मतलब क्या है? Simply link करना है, बस, इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है. Connect करना है, understand, join करना है. Such type of the words have been called as a linking verbs. For example, Try to understand. She would complete her work. She would complete her work within time. She would complete her work within time. Now, what it is there in this sentence? What is the linking verb? That is very, very important. In this sentence, the linking verb, what it is? Would is a linking verb. Why? Complete is going to express the meaning of action. What it is action? Complete करने की action express कर रहा है. She would complete her work within time. वो उसका काम वक्त के अंदर शायद करती. Would complete. Understand? But what has happened? Yeah, because of some of the disturbances, because of some of the obstacles, or because of some of the problems, she might have not done. Remember, क्या है ये? See क्या है? Subject है. Would क्या है? Linking verb है. Complete क्या है? Complete एक verb है और V1 is there, or what we can say, it is infinitive, and her work within time whatsoever is going to give the correct sense of meaning in the sentences. That is an object. But what is our main intention? Our main intention of just listening is that what do you mean by linking verbs? Linking verbs का मतलब क्या है और लिंकिंग वर्ब सेंटेंस में कैसे यूज किए जाते हैं. और एक एग्जांपल. नाउ सेकंड वन एग्जांपल. व्हाट इज द सेकंड वन एग्जांपल? I have been singing. Understand? I have been singing. Now, in this sentence, what is the linking verb? I is the subject. Have been, what it is going to suggest? Have been is only going to express the meaning of what we can say, that linking verb, and singing, it is the verb. Either it is ing participle or it is ed participle. Understand? Ing participle, whenever ing participle it used to come at that time, what we have to say? Either it has to be declared as a noun gerund or the verb is in continuation. कंटिन्यूएशन, व्हाट कंटिन्यूएशन विल बी देयर? कौन सा कंटिन्यूएशन होगा? ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस भी होता है एंड प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस भी होता है. अदरवाइज आल्सो past perfect continuous also, and as well as what we can say, past continuous also, past continuous also, past perfect continuous also. In the same way, future continuous also and future perfect continuous also. Just I am talking regarding only singing. Whenever the verb carries ing, that verb always indicates the meaning of the verb is in continuation, whatsoever the tense is there. Now, have been, what it is going to express? Have been, it is one of the forms of be, and it is going to express the meaning of linking verb. And to what it is linking? It is linking that subject with the verb. क्या है? I have been singing. मैं सुबह से गाना गा रहा हूं लेकिन कोई नहीं सुन रहा. अंडरस्टैंड? अगर कोई तो अच्छा गाना रहता है तो सभी सुनते हैं. अगर कोई तो कैसा हुआ, बहुत बोर गाना है, अंडरस्टैंड, उसको कोई नहीं सुनता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव बीन सिंगिंग, मैं बहुत देर से गा रहा हूं लेकिन कोई नहीं सुन रहा. लेकिन मैं बहुत देर से गा रहा हूं, बहुत सारे सुन रहे हैं. कैसे बाबा? हाउ इट इज? आई हैव बीन सिंगिंग. जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. I have been singing. Second one, what it is there? For example, third one, what it is there? She will write properly. Understand? She will write properly. In this sentence, what is the linking verb? Will is a linking verb. Why it is linking verb? Because it is linking to the subject with the verb, or it is linking to the subject with the sentence. Understand? I have been singing. How I have been singing? If it is fine, definitely what we can say, the many people will listen. कैसे बाबा? जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. If it is meaningful, definitely understand, they will listen. I have been singing. दूसरा, she will write properly. Yeah, someone is showing, what we can say, someone is showing the belief on a particular, what we can say, that figure. She will write properly. वो क्या करेगी, अच्छी तरह से लिखेगी बोलता है. ये जो सेंटेंस है, सेकंड वन सेंटेंस इज गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस, वेयर एज थर्ड वन सेंटेंस इज गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस द मीनिंग ऑफ सिंपल फ्यूचर. अंडरस्टैंड, सिंपल फ्यूचर के अंदर विल आया, और ये जो विल है, विल इज गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस द मीनिंग ऑफ लिंकिंग वर्ब, whereas have been is going to express the meaning of linking verb. Agar I have been singing, she will write properly. Understand, situation would be under control. Now situation would be under control. In that one, what is the linking verb? Would be is the linking verb. In the same way, what I mean to say, that one more example I would like to take. Just try to understand what is the example. I will give one of the example so that your doubt will be clear, that regarding what do you mean by linking verb. Now just try to understand. They are going to purchase. They are going to purchase the things. They are going to purchase the things. Now, in this sentence, what is the linking verb? That is very important. Already you have been informed. क्या इन्फॉर्म किया गया आपको? ऑलरेडी आपको ये इन्फॉर्म किया गया कि वह बी के जितने भी फॉर्म्स है वो पूरे के पूरे लिंकिंग वर्ब्स है. अब इसके अंदर बी का कौन सा एक फॉर्म है जिसको हम लिंकिंग वर्ब बोल के डिक्लेयर करते हैं? सीधी सी बात है, आर इज देयर. Understand, R is going to express the meaning of linking verb, and what is there? They is the subject, or as well as it is a noun. But what it is going to highlights? It is going to highlights regarding the action of the group of the people. They go, went, gone. Now going it is, and this sentence is written into present continuous. They are going to purchase the things. ये जो सेंटेंस है, ये सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में लिखा गया है, एंड इसके अंदर जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब आर है उसको लिंकिंग वर्ब डिक्लेयर किया गया है. Why it has been declared? Because that R is going to link the subject with the sequence whatever is coming in forthcoming period. That is very important. So guys, as per my understanding, मेरे ख्याल से आपको लिंकिंग वर्ब क्या है और लिंकिंग वर्ब सेंटेंस में किस तरह से यूज किए जाते हैं, ये अच्छी तरह से आपको समझ में आया होगा. As per my understanding, what are the linking verbs and how to be used in the sentences so that it is supposed to be declared as a linking verb, you might have understood. So in next video, I again come along with some of the examples of the sentences in which the linking verbs are hidden. Till then, take care. If you like my video, please like it and do not forget to subscribe it and share it. आपका दिन मंगलमय हो.